Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public Wi-Fi securely. Public Wi-Fi offers convenience, but it comes with significant risks. These networks are often unencrypted, meaning your personal data could be easily intercepted by others. It's crucial to understand that without proper protection, your online activities are exposed. Therefore, always be cautious and consider every public Wi-Fi connection as potentially insecure. We will explore simple yet effective methods to safeguard your information, ensuring peace of mind while you browse. The cornerstone of public Wi-Fi security is a virtual private network, or VPN. Think of a VPN as a secure, encrypted tunnel for all your internet traffic. When you connect to a public Wi-Fi network and then activate your VPN, all your data is scrambled, making it unreadable to anyone trying to snoop. This means your emails, passwords, and browsing history remain private. It's an essential layer of defense, transforming an insecure connection into a safe one for your peace of mind. Beyond a VPN, adopting a few essential habits significantly boosts your security. First, always double-check the Wi-Fi network name. Imposter networks are common. Second, turn off automatic Wi-Fi connections on your phone or laptop to avoid unknowingly joining an unsafe network. Third, ensure your device's firewall is active and all your software, including your operating system and apps, are fully updated. These updates often contain critical security patches, closing potential vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. To maximize your safety, there are a few things you should absolutely avoid. Never, under any circumstances, perform banking, online shopping, or share highly sensitive personal information on public Wi-Fi unless you are using a robust VPN. Always remember to log out of all your accounts once you are finished browsing. For critical tasks, your mobile data connection is often more secure than public Wi-Fi. By following these simple guidelines, you can enjoy the convenience of public Wi-Fi with significantly reduced risk, keeping your digital life safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.